Hello students. So today we will start with the second chapter, which is a novel, which is a synopsis of a novel which was written in 1812. So the name of the chapter is Swiss Family Robinson, a synopsis. Synopsis means a brief about the novel. That is, here they have not given you the whole novel, but they have described the complete novel in the form of a short story. That is called a synopsis. This novel is written by Johann David Wyss, who is a Swiss author from Switzerland, and he wrote this novel in 1812. It is one of his very famous works, and it is a novel of it is an adventure novel, and we should not forget that it is also a fictional novel. So there might be some parts in the story which you might not relate to, or you might say that this is not possible, but as it is fictional, it is okay. So what is the purpose of teaching you this story? The story aims to teach you self-reliance, that is how to depend on yourself, determination, that if you decide what you want to do, if you decide on something, you can do it, love for your family, cooperation, and prudent use of resources. Prudent use of resources meaning useful, making efficiently using the resources that we have at our disposal. And the characters in the story are the parents, William and Elizabeth Robinson, and their children, their 4 children, Fritz, Ernest, Jack, and Franz Robinson. And then comes a girl whose name is Jenny Montrose in the story. Okay, so let's start with the story now. So once while traveling, the family was while traveling through ship, their ship gets caught in a great storm in the ocean, and the other passengers of the ship get evacuated without the family. So now the only people left on the ship are the Robinson family. Okay. So they wait for the storm to pass, and they wait in the ship itself for the storm to pass. By next morning, the storm has passed, and they are the only ones on the ship, but from the ship they can see that there is a tropical island there. So they decide that we'll move to that island. So how are they supposed to go to reach the island? So they make a vessel out of tubs, a vessel like this out of tubs, and along with them they take other food and ammunition and other valuable articles that were available on the ship with them. As you can see in the middle tubs, it is filled with some things. So they take all the valuable items from the ship and make a vessel like this, and they reach the island, and the 2 dogs also swim alongside them. Okay, so when they reach the island, they make a tent, and then they use grass as beds. So while exploring the island, they find a grove of trees meaning a group of trees which are very close to each other, and there is very little ground between them. So while they are exploring, they find this grove of trees, and there they find a gourd tree meaning bottle gourd, dudi that we use, gourd trees. So the father tells the boys that we can use this gourd tree, and we can use the fruits to make bowls and spoons and other utensils to use for ourselves. So these are the utensils. The picture you can see on the right side is utensils carved out of the gourd. Okay, so they make these utensils and they take back. After some days, Elizabeth, the mother, she tells their father that we should shift to a better place or a safer place to stay, as this place was very dry, and it was very it was not so good, not such a good place to stay. So they find a huge tree whose trunk is almost 40 feet in diameter, and it also has long branches, and they built a home like this on stilts, on bamboos, on stick. Okay, they built such an house, and they attach a bamboo ladder to it so that they can reach the house, a ladder like this one. And along with that, while building this house, the father makes use of a sledge. They make a sledge with runners meaning the long wooden sticks below the sledge is runners. So instead of using wheels, the father uses runners so that they can carry the materials easily. It is very difficult. It is not difficult for them to carry the material. So by the time the father is building the house, the mother Elizabeth, she plants a vegetable garden so that they don't run out of resources to eat. So, and by that time now they have grown, she has grown corn, melons, pumpkins and cucumbers. And then along with that, the father also goes into the forest to explore so that they can get various items, so that they can make clothes out of them, boots and other useful things. Now that they've been there for some time, now the season of winter is going to come, and they realize that the house that they have right now is not very sturdy enough for them to stay in the winter. So thinking about the winter, the family decides, so they start looking for a rock cave to stay in, but they don't find any cave on the island so that they could use. So they start carving their own rock using axes, chisels, hammers, shovels, and using various articles. They start carving their own cave, and by the time winter season arrives, they have carved out a room. They have carved out a cave house which has almost 4 rooms, and along with a fireplace meaning where you can get a fire going and you can stay warm in the house. So one of these days, while they are in this cave house, when they come out next morning, they realize that their garden is completely destroyed. The vegetable garden that their mother had planted was destroyed, and along with that, their the house that they had built on stilts, that was also destroyed. And they realized that it was the work of elephant herd. As it is an island, there were elephants too. So the elephant herd had destroyed their living space. So what they do is they decide to build a new house and a stronger house. So rather than making a house that was on stilts, bamboo, which could be destroyed easily, they decide to make a house of this kind so that it is more safe and it is more strong. So now, experiencing new adventures and events every day, they've spent almost 10 years on the island, and they've also named their island as New Switzerland. And one of these days, Fritz finds a bird called albatross, and it has a rag tied to its leg. Rag meaning a old cloth, and there is a message written on the old cloth saying that a English woman meaning a woman who is from England. Okay, they find that a woman is stranded near a smoking rock. So Fritz does not know what smoking rock is. So he shows the note to his father, and his father helps him understand that the smoking rock might mean a volcano, might mean a volcanic mountain. And then they decide what to do. Fritz is determined to help this woman, and in order to help her, first of all, what he does is he ties his own message on the bird, on the albatross, and sends it, and the message that he writes is, do not despair, help is near. Despair meaning do not worry, help is near. And within few days, within some time, he was so determined that within some time he successfully finds the girl whose name is Jenny Montrose, and she was stranded on that island for last 3 years, and she had survived. So, and he brings the girl with him to their own island, to New Switzerland. After some times, they see that there is a ship near another island, and they use their spy glass to check who all are there on the ship. And then after some times, they decide that they will announce themselves meaning they will inform the people on the ship that there is somebody here on this island. And when they announce that they're here, the captain of the ship comes down to meet them. So when he comes down, they tell him the whole story they tell him their story as well as Jenny's stories. And while they're talking, they realize that it had been Jenny they were searching for. Jenny's father had decided that he wanted to search for his daughter. Even after 3 years, he believed that she's alive and stranded somewhere. And so the captain was searching for Jenny. And when they realize this, everybody is very happy. And Eliza, so now that they found help and they can return back home, now they have to decide what they want to do, whether they want to stay here on the island or go back home with Jenny. So Elizabeth and William, they both decide, the parents, they decide that they like it on the island and they do not want to go back home. So they decide to stay back. But Fritz, who found the girl, he decides to go as he wanted to marry Jenny. And their 2 sons, Ernest and Jack, they decide that they also decide that they want to stay back on the island with their parents. They like it there. But Franz, their youngest son, he decides that he wants to receive formal education, academic education. So he decides to go back to England with Fritz and Jenny. And when the decisions are made, they decide to go back now. And the father, he had maintained a journal in which he had written all about their adventures and all the things that had happened on the island. And he gives it to the captain, and he asks them that you can publish it when you go out. And with that, Jenny and Fritz, they go back home along with Franz, and the rest, they stay back on the island itself. So now your homework is that you have to solve the English workshop as usual. You have to find the meanings of these compound words. What are compound words? Compound words are when you use 2 different meanings, 2 different words which have different meanings, and make a new word and a new meaning. So you have to find the meanings of these words. Then second question is that you have to make the word is the same, but the same word you can use in 2 different ways. One as a noun and second as a verb. So you have to make 2 sentences, one where the word is used as a noun and the second where it is used as a verb, and write them. And then you have to do question number 3. Question number 3 is fill in the blanks. You can go through it and please solve it. And then do question number 4, where you have to describe their houses. First home is when they stay in the tent. They make a tent and then they stay there. Their second home is the house that they built on stilts, which gets destroyed because of the animal hurt. Their third home that they make is the rock cave for winter. And the fourth home is the stronger home that they built on the trees. Okay, so you have to describe their houses. When you read the lesson, you will find a detailed information about their houses. So use that and write these answers, and then write any one of the expand the following ideas. Where there is a will, there is a way. So this is what the story was trying to tell you that where there is a will, if they wanted to do things, they wanted to survive, and they found a way to survive. So expand on this idea. And the second one is courage and resourcefulness are the keys to overcome problems. Courage and resourcefulness, meaning courage meaning bravery, being strong and deciding that you want to do. Resourcefulness means that you have to know how to use various things other than what it is generally used for, like gods. We use gods for eating, but then you need to know, you have to be aware that you have to use your mind, that you can use it for other things as well. So, and these two qualities will help you overcome problems when you face them. So try to think about it, and I would encourage you all to write on the second idea, but it is up to you. You can write any one of these, and that's it. Okay, so thank you.